Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ford Ranger versus the Volkswagen Amarok in a drag race. We'll look at their performance head-to-head to see which truck pulls ahead. Understanding their power delivery and traction is key to determining a winner. This comparison will help you decide which vehicle might be better suited for your needs, especially if speed is a factor. Both the Ford Ranger and the Volkswagen Amarok come equipped with robust 3.0-liter V6 diesel engines. The Ranger's turbo diesel and the Amarok's TDI offer impressive power outputs. While specific figures vary by trim, they generally produce similar horsepower and torque, making for a very competitive drag race. It's a true battle of engineering. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this head-to-head comparison, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Quick recommendation: after all this talk about powerful trucks, you'll need powerful fuel for yourself. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh. Find the link and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Beyond raw engine power, several factors influence drag race performance. Vehicle weight distribution plays a big role in how effectively power translates to forward motion. Transmission tuning, including shift points and speed, is also critical for maintaining momentum. Finally, the type and condition of tires greatly affect grip, especially during the initial launch. Every detail matters. In many drag race scenarios, the Volkswagen Amarok often demonstrates a slight advantage off the line, thanks to its responsive power delivery. However, the Ford Ranger frequently closes the gap or even overtakes at higher speeds, showcasing its top-end performance. Ultimately, these races are incredibly tight, often decided by mere fractions of a second, making them thrilling to watch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.